I always say this, don't risk a lot.
This trade, I just put this trade on my Instagram channel that I just made. So if you boys are not in this channel already, in the last 30 days, there's only been one losing day for Mamba. One losing day. Been a minute, boys. Fucking, yeah, fucking gone. New week, fresh start. Looking forward to this week, boys. This is gonna be a good fucking day. And a good week, I'm telling you. What I will say, boys, is I have started trading London session. I took a trade this morning, trading London session on DAX, UK 100. That also hit, boom. And NAS was also another hit, bosh. If you might want to see me do some London session trading where I just trade by myself, yo, bruv, I've actually been doing sick London session. At the bottom of my P&L, which is in every description, I literally have my London session. I've been trading London session the past, since Wednesday last week, tracking it anyway, just because I want to start making content on it. So if you might want to see me do some London session content.
You guys are always in here, just waiting for me to get on. Slight channel, slight trend. Price could push and pull above the trend / little micro resistance we have. Not a bad buying opportunity if it does, but we'll see. Go to our 5, could be a little more clear. Yeah, for NQ and NASDAQ, we got
See what
a little bit of resistance here. Seems like we're already kind of breaking out of it. We'll see what happens there as well. Just need some good movement today. We got 12 seconds, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, do not risk a lot. I always say this. Don't risk a lot of your account, please. Tired of that shit. Sometimes we take 3 trades in one day, man. Let's risk 1 to 3% as usual. We're going buy position here. Hopefully not a fake out.
Look, boys, so what I basically did at this point, as soon as I entered a buy position, I made this new group yesterday. It's on Instagram. So if you go to Instagram, in fact, I'll show you. So if you come to my Instagram, it's going to be in the description. Come down to this channel here, the Breakout Room. You're going to follow and you're going to enter the Breakout Room. I literally entered the buy position as soon as Mamba entered. I mean, literally, look. As soon as Mamba's bought, I've entered that position and I've told the group for free. This is a literal free group. All you got to do is follow me on Instagram and jump in the channel. If you want to jump in that room, I literally announced it on my free Discord over the weekend. If you didn't get in, you just missed free signal from Mamba. But who I would recommend this for is if you're a beginner and you're struggling and you're maybe just starting out on your journey, perfect for you. Or if you're someone that's already trading and you just want that extra confidence or confluence, this could potentially help. Cheeky. Yo, it's pushing. It's pushing.
There it is. There it is. Target 1. Let's go. Let's let this joint run up.
We're pushing. And he's in again.
Past this resistance here.
He's in again. Yo. So real quick, boys, what I will say and will mention is when we first initially pushed up to this resistance here, Mamba exited his position. He exited $27,000. And then as we started to break it again now, as you're hearing it, he then re-entered another position. So he took his profit and then he's re-entered again. So just to clear that up and just make sure everything's like as clear and fucking transparent as possible. Going for a 1 to 2, boys.
Come on. Come on. Forget this resistance. You're not scared about it. US30 is YM.
Push
NASDAQ is
through,
NG.
man.
Gold is GC.
Push through, boys.
Right there. Come on.
Woo!
Past this resistance. There we go.
God damn.
Come on.
That's it.
Better not show respect to this resistance, man. We ain't got no reason to respect that. Struggling with this resistance. If we can't push past this resistance, it'd be smarter to close the whole position.
So, boys, I just put this trade on my Instagram in the fucking channel that I just made. So if you boys are not in this channel already, you could have just had some free sauce today from Mamba in my Instagram channel. Just get in the fucking group, boys.
Come on, we can push.
You can keep pushing, man.
Forever.
I need a piece. I've had a piece. I'm back.
There it is. Now we're pushing.
Now we're pushing.
Now we are pushing.
Now we're pushing, boys. See that?
Let's get that target 2. I've been talking to it a little bit, man. I don't know if something wrong with me or what, but we flirting with the chart sometimes. Actually, 22 piece.
Mamba's out.
About 52K.
I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade.
Probably close about $52,000.
Yo, boys, there we go.
What a day.
Yo, boys, there it is. A quick W today with Mamba. If you want to join Mamba's live trading room, literally all you got to do is going to be the first link in the description, or I'll pin the link to the top comment in this description of this very video that you're watching right now, and every video that I do with Mamba. But yo, boys, come on.
We're going to let this thing run. Let the rest of the I'm already about 80% closed. Let the last 20% run to hopefully a target 5, if not a stops to break even type of move. Either way, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Man, appreciate you guys coming on, man. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll do it all again.
Yo, boys, so there you have it, man. There's you have it. So let's do a little update of where we are. So for those that don't already know, I track every single trade and every day that Mamba trades, and I understand how much he's winning, how much he's losing. So I think we've been in here for what now, 4 weeks, so call it 30 days. And in the last 30 days, there's only been one losing day for Mamba. One losing day. He's taken a losing trade. So like, for example, on this day here on, so like for example, 2 weeks ago on Monday, he did take an L and then a W. But for example, his losses are a lot smaller than his wins. It's usually going for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s. But then also on the left, you'd think, okay, cool. If he's winning, I'm winning. Now, if you've been following this series for a while, you'll see in the past couple weeks, especially the past 2, I've been trading with Mamba, but I've not really been taking Mamba's trades. Not been buying when he says buy, not been selling when he says sell. And I've been fucking up a lot these past 2 weeks. Well, basically a lot of the challenge, to be honest with you, if I'm completely honest with you. But Mamba has been winning. I've just been I've definitely been overcomplicating the challenge. Definitely been overthinking. Definitely been way too hesitant with entries. Been too afraid to lose. That's been my biggest issue, which is kind of mad because I'm afraid to lose, which has actually caused me to lose because the entries have been late or too weak or been hesitant and exited too early. But yeah, Mamba's only taken 1 L. So if you want to go check this out, you check this out, boys. It's all in the description. So last week when I was up, the week before that I was up, and the other 2 I was like down 1% over 2 weeks. Now, finally, we are starting to trend upwards. So we've got to hit $8,000. Yeah, so look, we've got another 5% to go. And we will pass phase 1. Now, this is taking me a long time. 16 days I've been at this. 16 days. I'm planning to pass this phase 1 this week. So Thursday. If I don't pass it this week, if going to plan and everything goes well and we hit 1 to 2s for the rest of this week, I'll pass this week, right? If I'm being honest with you, Mamba's trade that he took today, look, he told people to stay in a trade and hold out to a target 5. On target 5, well and truly got hit. Well and truly got hit and beyond. He was letting his position trail. So we could have made even more than we already did today on this call. But we are here. So yeah, I do plan to just start trying to hit them 1 to 2s and trying to take my emotions out of the trading because I've been too emotional with trades. Whether I like to admit it or not, I have. And yeah, got fuck all in this bottle, so that's that. And yeah, but yeah, boys, coming soon after this, I'm going to do a $100 flip. I'm going to start a live account. I look forward to do that. So next Monday, I'm going to start trading London session by myself. I'm just going to do a final week on it, just trading by myself, really getting to grips with the pairs I want to choose to trade with next week in the videos. But yeah, boys, if you are keeping up with the content, respect to every single one of you. Respect to every single one of you. All the support's been mad. We are flying. And yeah, let's make August a fucking banger month. Another day, another dollar, boys. Come on.